Welcome to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to solve numericals from the chapter number 2, that is fractions and decimal. This is exercise 2.1, question number 1. So first is 2 minus 3 by 5. So here we have to do subtraction, and for that the first condition is fractions should be like fraction. Here in the denominator of 2 nothing is there. That means we can put 1 in the denominator of 2, minus 3 by 5. Now we have to convert this 2 fraction into like fraction. Then only we can do subtraction. So what we will do, this 5 we will multiply with this fraction in numerator and denominator. So 2 into 5 divided by 1 into 5 minus 3 by 5. What we have done here, we are changing this fraction into like fraction, because here there is nothing in denominator of 2, but that doesn't mean there is no denominator for 2. Whenever there is no denominator, we can always put 1 in the denominator and we can convert them into fraction. So here 2 divided by 1. So now this we have to convert into like fraction, that we need 5 here in the denominator. So that's why we have multiplied 5 above and below. So now let us write 10 divided by 5. This is a multiplication product of this fraction, minus 3 by 5. Now it is easy to subtract the 10 minus 3 divided by 5, and here we will get 7 by 5. So this is our answer. Second numerical. This is 4 plus 7 by 8. So here also there is no denominator for 4. So we can put 4 by 1 plus 7 by 8. Now here we have to change these 2 fractions into like fraction. So we will multiply this 8 here with 4 and with 1. So this we are converting into like fraction by multiplying above and below with number 8. 7 divided by 8. So the product of this 2 multiplication is 32 divided by 8 plus 7 divided by 8. Now we can add this 2. So 32 plus 7 we will get 39 divided by 8. This is 39 divided by 8, but this is improper fraction, so we have to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. So let us divide this 39 divided by 8. So here we will get 432, and down we will get 7 from this subtraction. So now let us arrange this in mixed fraction. Denominator will go in denominator. This quotient is a whole number, so it will come here, and this will go in numerator. So this is our mixed fraction. Third question. This is 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7. In earlier sum, we have seen that in denominator it was 1. So it was very easy for us to multiply the denominator of one fraction with another fraction. But here both fractions have their own denominator and both are prime numbers. So what we will do, this 7 we will multiply with this fraction. 3 into 7 divided by 5 into 7. And this fraction we will multiply with 5. So 2 by 7, here we are multiplying above and below with 5. What we have done, to change this fraction into like fraction, we have multiplied with each other's denominator. Now here when we will write the product of this multiplication, we will get 21 divided by 35 plus 10 divided by 35. By doing so, we will get here same answer, and we can convert them into like fraction. Why? Because here 5 is multiplying with 7 and here 7 is multiplying with 5. So in properties of multiplication is that in any order you will multiply the number, the answer will remain same. So here we can convert them into like fraction in this way. Now let us add this 2. So we will get 31 divided by 35. Now numerator is less than denominator, so there is no need to change them in mixed fraction. Fourth sum, 9 divided by 11 minus 4 divided by 15. So here, to change them into like fraction, we will multiply with each other's denominator. So here 9 into 15 divided by 11 into 15 minus 4 into 11 divided by 15 into 11. So here we will get 15 nines are 135 divided by 169 minus 44 divided by 169. So here we will get 135 minus 44 divided by 169. So we will get here 91 divided by 169. Here also the numerator is smaller than denominator. So we do not need to change into mixed fraction. Now fifth numerical. Here 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2 is there. So in earlier all the numericals we have seen the denominators which are prime numbers or they were not each other's factors or multiples. So we have simply multiplied with each other's denominator and we have changed them, we have converted them into a like fraction. But here if you will see, the denominator is 10, 5 and 2. So they are multiples of each other. So here we do not need to multiply all the denominators with all the term. What we can do is, the biggest number is 10 and 5 and 2 is multiple of 10. So this fraction we will keep as it is and this 2 fraction we will convert this denominators into 10. So how can we do that? See here 2 by 5 is there. So this 5 we can convert into 10 by multiplying 2 in numerator and denominator. So by this way we can convert this fraction's denominator in 10. Another fraction is 3 by 2. Here 2 is there. So can we change this 2 into 10? Yes, by multiplying this with 5. So 5 we have to multiply above and below. So now you can see that here 10 is already there. 5 into 2, so we will get here 10. 2 into 5, so we will get here 10. So now when we will multiply this, then we will get all the denominator equal. So here 15 will come, here 10 will come. So that is how we can change them into like fractions. Now it is easy for us to add them. 10 plus 4 plus 15 divided by 10. So we will get here 26 divided by 10. So here our answer is 26 divided by 10. So here we are converting this further into its lowest possible form. So 13 into 2 and 5 into 2. So this 2 and this 2 we can cut it off. The remaining fraction is 13 divided by 5. Now this 13 divided by 5 is improper fraction. So we have to convert it into mixed fraction. So 13 divided by 5 we will get 2, 10 and 3. So the answer is 5 will go in denominator. This 2 will come at the front and 3 will go at the top. So this is going to be our answer, that 2, 3 by 5. We have converted into mixed fraction. The next numerical is 2, 2 by 3 plus 3, 1 by 2. So they have given us in mixed fraction. So this sum is in mixed fraction. So first we have to convert it into improper fraction. So 2 into 3, 6 plus 2. So it is 8 divided by 3 plus 3 into 2 plus 1. So 6 plus 1. So it is 7 divided by 2. So how we are calculating this? 2, 2 by 3. So this 2 and 3 we have to multiply. And then into this we have to add 2. So 2 into 3. This 2 we are multiplying with 3. And then we will add this 2 into that. So we will get 6 plus 2. So it is 8. That 8 we will put in numerator and denominator will remain same. So that is how we are converting into improper fraction. From improper fraction to mixed fraction and mixed fraction to improper fraction. Now here, this both denominators are different and they both are prime number. So how can we convert them into like fraction? That simply we will multiply 2 to this fraction and 3 to this fraction. So it is going to be 8 into 2, 3 into 2 plus 7 into 3 and 2 into 3. Now we will get 16 divided by 6 plus 21 divided by 6. So now let us add them. We will get here 7 by 6. So this is again improper fraction. So let us convert this into mixed fraction. So 6 are 36 and 1. So let us arrange this. 6 will go in denominator. This 6 will come here and this one will go at top. So 6, 1 by 6 will be our answer. Our next numerical is 8, 1 by 2 minus 3, 5 by 8. So let us change this mixed fraction into improper fraction first. So this is 8 into 2. So 16 plus 1. So 17 by 2 minus 3 8s are 24. 24 plus 5. 29 divided by 8. Now we have to convert this into like fraction. This is 8 and this is 2. 2 is a multiple of 8. So we can convert this 2 into 8. And this fraction we are not going to convert. So which number we have to multiply with 2 to make it 8? That is 4. So we will multiply 4 with this whole fraction. So we will multiply 4 in numerator and denominator. So 17 into 4 divided by 2 into 4 minus 29 divided by 8. So here 17 into 4, 68 divided by 8 minus 29 divided by 8. So that is how we can make a like fraction. We have not multiplied this both denominator to both the fractions. We have only multiplied this fraction with 4 because this is 8 and 2 is multiple of 8. So that's why we can convert this multiple to the number 8 by simply multiplying with 4. So that we have done here and we got this. Now 68 minus 29, we will get 9 and 3. So 39 divided by 8. Now this is improper fraction. So we have to convert this into mixed fraction. So 39 divided by 8. 8 4s are 32 and we will get here 7. So let us arrange this, that 8 will be in denominator, 4 will come at the front and 7 will go at the top. So 7 by 8 will be our answer. Question number 2. Arrange the following into descending order. So here we have to arrange all this fraction into descending order. In all the previous numericals, it was easy for us to change them into like fraction. Here, these 3 denominators are different and here we have to take LCM. So how we are taking LCM? Here we are going to write 9, 3 and 21. So here let us take first 3. So 3, then 1 and 7. So here 7 and 1, 1 and 1. So this is going to be our LCM. 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 7, 63. So 63 is our LCM. LCM is 63. Now all this denominator we have to convert it into 63. So how can we do that? Let us arrange all these fractions and then one by one we will convert them, their denominator, into 63. So first is 2 by 9. Now when we are going to convert 9 into 63, we have to multiply with 7. So here also we will multiply with 7. Now second fraction, 2 by 3. So 3 we have to convert into 63. If we do not know the number, then simply we will divide this number with 3. So we will get here 2, then here 6, and then 0, 3 and 1. So 21 is a number. When we will multiply with 3, we will get 63. So let us multiply 21 in numerator and denominator. Now next, 8 divided by 21. So here we have multiplied 3 into 21, so we got here 63. So here 21 we will multiply with 3. So we will get 63. So above and below we will multiply with 3. Now let us write answers for this multiplication. So here it is going to be 14 divided by 63. Then second is 21 into 2. So 2 and 4. 42 divided by 63 and 24 divided by 63. Now the denominators are same. So it is easy for us to arrange them in descending order. So let us write the descending order first. In descending order, first we are writing the bigger number and then at the last the smallest number. So biggest number is this, it is 42 divided by 63. Then the next is 24 divided by 63. And then the last one, the smallest one is 14 divided by 63. So now let us write all the original fractions. 42 by 63, that is our second fraction. So it is 2 by 3. Then the next is 24 by 63. So that is our last fraction. So it is 8 divided by 21. And the last is 14 divided by 63. So that is our first fraction. That is 2 divided by 9. So here 2 by 3 is the biggest one. Then comes 8 by 21. Then comes 2 by 9. So here we can also write like 2 by 3 is the biggest. Then 8 by 21. And then 2 by 9. Second numerical, these fractions also we have to arrange them in descending order. So let us first find out the LCM. So here 5, 7 and 10. So let us take 5 first, 1, then 7, here we will get 2, then 7, 1, 1, 2, then 2 and 1, 1 and 1. So here this is our LCM, 5 into 7 into 2. So it is 5 7s are 35 into 2. So 70 is our LCM. So here LCM is 70. Now let us convert all this denominator into 70. Now first fraction, 1 divided by 5. So which number we have to multiply here so that our denominator will be 70. So here we are multiplying with 14. So above and below we will multiply with 14. Then the second one, 3 divided by 7. So it is easy. When we will multiply with 10, this denominator we can convert it to 70. Here also above and below we will multiply with 10. Now next, 7 divided by 10. So 10 we will multiply with 7 and it will convert into 70. Now let us write all these fractions. 14 divided by 70, then 30 divided by 70, then 49 divided by 70. Now let us arrange them in descending order. In descending order, the biggest number will come first and the smallest number will come at the last. So first the biggest number is this. 49 divided by 70 is bigger than the 30 divided by 70 and then last the 14 divided by 70. That means let us write our original fraction. 49 divided by 70 is this fraction. So 7 divided by 10 is the biggest one. Then 30 divided by 70 is this fraction. 3 by 7. And the smallest one is 14 divided by 70. So that is the first one. 1 divided by 5. So that is how we can arrange them in descending order. Question number 3. In a magic square, the sum of rows, columns and diagonals are same. Is this a magic square? That means we have to check whether the sum of this 3 term and similarly for all the 3 term rows and all the 3 columns and 2 diagonals. These are the diagonals, are same or not. If that is same, then this square is termed as magic square. So let us check this for the rows. So here let us take this first row, that 4 by 11 plus 9 by 11 plus 2 by 11. Now here all are like fractions, so it is easy to add them. 4 plus 9 is 13 plus 2, 15. So it is 15 by 11. Now let us take second row. So here 3 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 7 by 11. So here 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 7, 15. So 15 by 11. Now third and the last row. So 8 by 11 plus 1 by 11 plus 6 by 11. So 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 by 11. So all the rows sum is equal, that is 15 by 11. Now let us check for the columns. So the first column is 4 by 11 plus 3 by 11 plus 8 by 11. So 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 8, 15. So 15 by 11. Now second column. 9 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 1 by 11. So 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 by 11. Now the third and the last column. 2 by 11 plus 7 by 11 and 6 by 11. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. So 15 by 11. Now 2 diagonals are remaining. So here the first one, this 4 plus 5 plus 6 by 11. 4 plus 5, 9 plus 6. So 15 by 11. Then second, 8 plus 5 plus 2 by 11. So here we will get 8 plus 5, 13 plus 2, 15 by 11. Now we took this diagonal and this diagonal. So two diagonals have same sum and all the columns and all the rows answer is also same. So this square is magic square because all the rows, all the columns and both diagonals sum is same. Exercise 2.1, question number 4. A rectangular sheet of paper is 12 1 by 2 cm long and 10 2 by 3 cm wide. Find its perimeter. First of all, what is perimeter? Let us draw a rectangle, and when we are getting a measurement of all the sides, when we will add all the sides, we will take the sum of all the sides, then that is the meaning of perimeter. So this side, this side, this side and this side, total 4 sides sum will give us perimeter. So we are here only taking borders and not the full area and not the area inside it. That is the meaning of perimeter. So here this side and this side, they have said that centimeter long. Long means this side's measurement is this 12 1 by 2 and wide means this side's measurement. So 10 2 by 3. So this much is wide and this much is long. Now we have to find out the perimeter. So rectangle's opposite sides are equal. So here this side's measurement is 12 1 by 2 and this side's measurement is 10 2 by 3. So now we have to add all the four sides. Now formula of perimeter of rectangle is is 2 into L plus 2 into B. So 2 into length. These two are the length, or you can also write length plus width or breadth plus breadth. Here I have written 2 into L plus 2 into breadth. So here 2 into, we have to multiply the length. So it is going to be 12 1 by 2 plus 2 into breadth. So it is going to be 10 2 by 3. Now let us convert this. So here 2 into 12 into 2, 24 and 1, 25. 25 by 2 plus 2 into 10 into 3, 30 plus 2, 32. 32 divided by 3. Now let us solve this multiplication first. So we will get here 2 and 2. This is in numerator, this is in denominator. So we can cut this 2 out. And here when we will multiply with 2 into 32, we will get 64 divided by 3. Now both of these are unlike fraction. We have to convert them into like fraction. So what we will do? We will multiply 3 with 25. So here we are going to write 25 into 3 divided by 1 into 3. Because there is no denominator for 25, so we can imagine 1 as a denominator of 25, and then 25 by 1, the whole fraction we are going to multiply with 3. Now then plus 64 by 3. So let us write what we will get here. 75 by 3 plus 64 by 3. Now let us add them as they are like fractions. So we will get here 9 and 7 plus 6 we will get 3. So 139 divided by 3. Now this is improper fraction. So we have to convert this into mixed fraction. So 3 4s are 12, we will get 1 and then 9. Now 19 is there. So 3 6 are 18 and we will get here 1. Now let us write this in the form of mixed fraction. So in the denominator the 3 will be there. At the front we will get 46 and here we will get 1. So 46 1 by 3 centimeter will be the perimeter of this rectangle. Question number 5. Find the perimeters of triangle ABC and second the rectangle BCDE in this figure. Whose perimeter is greater? So we have to find out two perimeters. First is for triangle and second is for rectangle. So let us first find out the perimeter of triangle. So here perimeter of triangle. Now the sides of triangle is AB plus BE plus EA. Now all the sides are in centimeters. Now let us add them. So it is 5 by 2 plus 2 3 by 4 plus 3 3 by 5. Now let us first change this 2 into mixed fraction. So here we will get 5 by 2 plus 2 into 4 8 plus 3 11, 11 by 4 plus 3 into 5 15 plus 3 is 18. So 18 by 5. Now these three are unlike fractions. So we have to convert them into like fractions to add them. So let us take LCM. So 2, 4, 5. Here we will get 2. So 1, 2, 5, again 2, 1, 1, 5. Then 5, 1, 1 and 1. So this is our LCM. 2 into 2, 4 into 5, 20. So 20 is our LCM. So here let us change this denominators into 20. So the first fraction is 5 by 2. So 2 we have to convert it into 20. So we have to multiply this with 10. Here 4 is there. When we want to convert this into 20, we have to multiply with 5. This 5 is there, so here we have to multiply with 4. Now let us multiply the same number in the numerator. 2 into 10 plus 11 into 5 divided by 4 into 5 plus 18 into 4 divided by 5 into 4. Now let us write all this multiplications answer. So we will get here 5 into 10 equals to 50 divided by 20 plus 11 into 5, so 55 divided by 20, 18 into 4, so we will get here 4 into 8, 2, then 3, 4 into 1, 4, plus 3, 7. 72 divided by 20. Now let us add them. 50 plus 55 plus 72. So here we will get 7. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 7 we will get 17. So 117 divided by 20. Now this is improper fraction. Let us convert this into mixed fraction. So the final answer is 8/17 by 20. So this will be our perimeter of triangle. So perimeter of triangle is 8/17 by 20. Now here perimeter of triangle, what we have found out is 8/17 by 20. Now we have to find out the perimeter of rectangle. So perimeter of rectangle, and what is the formula for it? 2L plus B. Now the measurements of two sides of rectangles are 2 3/4 and 7/6. So let us write them. The 2, what is the length? 2 3/4. Now what is the breadth? 7/6. Now the first fraction is in the form of mixed fraction. So we have to convert it into improper fraction first. So here 2 into 4, 8 plus 3, 11. So 11/4 plus 7/6. Now here both are unlike fractions. So we have to convert them into like fraction. So for this 2 we have to find out LCM. So 4 and 6, 2. So here we will get 2 and 3, again 2, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1. So this is going to be our LCM. The 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12. So 12 is our LCM. So let us convert them. So here if we want a 12, then we have to multiply with 3. If here we want 12, then here we have to multiply with 2. So 11 into 3 divided by 4 into 3 plus 7 into 2 divided by 6 into 2. So here we will get as an answer 2 into the bracket 33 divided by 12 plus 14 divided by 12. Now they are in the form of like fraction. So we can add them. 2 with the multiplication, we will get here 33 plus 14. So we will get here 4 and 7. 47. 3 plus 1, 4 and 3 plus 4, 7. So 47 divided by 12. Now 2 is in the multiplication, so we can divide this with 6. So we will get here 47 divided by 6. This is again improper fraction. We have to convert this into mixed fraction. The answer is 7/5/6 centimeter. Now this is perimeter of rectangle. This is our second answer, and the first answer is this. So what they have said, whose perimeter is greater. So here 8 7 by 20 is our first perimeter and this is 7 5 by 6 is our second perimeter. Now these are two perimeters. We have to compare them and we have to see that which one is the bigger. So this is their original improper fractions, that 177 by 20 and 47 by 6. So here 177 by 20 and 47 by 6. So we have to convert them into like fraction. When we will take the LCM, we got as LCM 60. So let us convert them. Here we have to multiply with 3 if we want 60 here, and here we have to multiply with 10. So here 177 into 3 we will get 1, 2, again plus 2 we will get 23. So 3 and 2, 3 ones are 3 and 2. So it is 5. So 531 divided by 60, whereas here we will get 47 into 10. So we will get 470 divided by 60. Now which term is bigger? This term is bigger. So in turn, whose area is bigger? So 8 17 by 20 is bigger. So triangle's area is bigger than rectangle's area, because here when we have changed them into like fraction, this we got is bigger in fraction. So here triangle's area is bigger. Question number 6. Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 7 3 by 5 centimeter wide. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 3 by 10 centimeter wide. How much should the picture be trimmed? Here they have directly asked that how much we have to trim the picture. That means how much we have to cut the picture so that the picture will come into the frame. That means we don't need to compare this fraction first. They already said that picture is wide compared to the frame. So what is bigger, that fraction or this fraction? That fraction is bigger. The picture's wideness is more compared to frame's wideness. So that's why we have to trim, or that's why we have to cut the picture. So that is a hint. When you will solve this kind of question, you don't need to compare the fraction. From this you can easily identify that which fraction is bigger. So here our picture is bigger. So 7 3 by 5 centimeter is picture, so that is bigger. And now it should not be more than this. So this fraction will come at the last. So 3 by 10. Now we have this picture and frame is this. So how much we have to cut? So to do that we have to subtract that area. So here we are subtracting this. So this fraction is suggesting us that this much picture is wide and this much it should be. The answer of this subtraction will tell us that how much we have to trim the picture. So now let us convert them into improper fraction. 7 into 5, 35 plus 3. So here we will get 38 divided by 5 minus 7 into 10, 70 plus 3, 73 divided by 10. Now we have to change them into like fraction. Here 10 is already there, so we have to convert this fraction into 10. To do so we have to multiply here with 2. So when we will multiply 38 into 2, we will get 8 into 2, we will get 6, 1, 3 into 2, we will get 6 and 1, 7. 76 divided by 10 minus 73 divided by 10. So here we will get 76 minus 73, we will get 3 by 10, and this is centimeter. So 3 by 10 centimeter we have to trim the picture, then only that picture will be fit into the frame. Question number 7. Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of an apple and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? Who had the largest share and by how much? So first of all, how much Ritu ate is 3 by 5 and the remaining portion was eaten by Somu. So if we will guess that the full apple is 1, then 3 by 5 is already eaten by Ritu. Now we don't know how much Somu ate. So we are keeping here x at the place of the portion of Somu. So that is x. So 3 by 5 plus x will be equal to 1 full apple. Now if we want to find out the portion that is covered by x, then x equals to 1. Now this 3 by 5 we are taking other side. So this will become minus. Here it is plus, so when it is changing side it will become minus. Now this is our subtraction. Here it is 1 and we have to change this into like fraction. So we have to multiply above and below with 5. So here we will get 1 into 5 divided by 1 into 5. So here in subtraction 3 by 5 will be there. So here we will get is 5 divided by 5 minus 3 by 5. So here we will get 2 by 5. So how much Somu ate? Somu ate 2 by 5. Here Ritu ate 3 by 5 and Somu ate 2 by 5. Now what they have asked, who had the largest share? Now already this both are in like fraction. 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. So we can easily compare them, that which one is bigger. So here 3 by 5 is bigger than 2 by 5. So we can say that Ritu ate bigger portion compared to Somu. Now they have also asked that by how much. How to find this? When we will subtract this from this, we will get to know that how much this fraction is bigger from this. So here we are going to subtract this 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5. So both are in like fraction, so it is easy for us that 1 by 5. So here how much Ritu ate more? 1 by 5 portion Ritu ate more. So here this is the first answer, this is the second answer and this is third answer. Question number 8. Michael finished coloring a picture in 7 by 12 hour. Vaibhav finished coloring the same picture in 3 by 4 hour. Who worked longer and by what fraction was it longer? So here this is time taken by Michael, that's 7 by 12 hour, and Vaibhav took 3 by 4 hour. Now first of all we have to convert this two fraction into like fraction. Here it is 12 and here it is 4. So we have to convert this into 12. So we have to multiply this with 3. So here we are going to write 3 into 3 divided by 4 into 3. So we will get here 9 by 12. Now this is 7 by 12, this is 9 by 12. Now both are like fraction, so we can easily compare them. That 7 by 12 is less than 9 by 12. Now Vaibhav took more time. Now if we want to find out that how much, so here first we will write that Vaibhav took more time. Now second, how much time he took more? So for that we have to subtract this two fraction. 9 by 12 minus 7 by 12, we will get 2 by 12. Again we will convert this into lowest form by dividing this. So we will get 1 by 6. So how much Vaibhav took more time? 1 by 6 hour he took more time. So Vaibhav took 1/6 hour more time compared to Michael. So that is how we are going to solve. Whenever there are two fractions and we have to compare them, first we have to change them into like fraction, then it will be easy for us to compare. From this we got to know that Vaibhav took more time, and to check how much he took more time, we have to subtract those two. So the subtraction, the difference will tell us that how much he took more time.